Good morning guys, I welcome you all to my new vlog. In this vlog I'll be showing you a very unique place. Once I reach there I'll be telling you about that place. Now it's 8 o'clock in the morning and we'll be leaving towards that particular unique place, which is just 29 kilometers from Roxy where I'm standing. I'm just standing in front of the church in Roxy and we'll be reaching in a while. 29 kilometers I guess in about 45 minutes we'll be reaching, and then I'll be showing you that unique place and its importance geographically also. Stay tuned. We have almost reached half the way. As per Google it is showing that we are currently at Nischintpur, and from here it is almost 15 kilometers as you can see on the board. Now we have entered a small hotel. The name of the village is Lolai, and we have come here for breakfast. We have ordered 3 plates of bara as you can see. So these are so delicious. Now we have reached the entrance to Khandadhar Waterfalls, and this is where we need to take our ticket. This is the entrance to Khandadhar Waterfalls, and this is the Khandadhar Natural Camp board. Admire the beauty of Khandadhar waterfalls. Before visiting the Khandadhar waterfall face to face, this is the scenery, which something looks like this. It's written in Odia. This is the cold water facility provided here for all the tourists. How are you feeling here?
वेरी नाइस, बहुत सुंदर सृष्टि है परमेश्वर का। तो दिन से प्लान था पर आ नहीं पा रहे थे, आज सफल हो पाए हैं। देखते हैं उतना सीढ़ी चढ़ पाएंगे कि नहीं।
And this is the nature's beauty, which makes our hearts feel so relaxed after looking at this beautiful creation of God. Here people can bath and the water here is so cold. All this water comes from the waterfall by the name Khandadhar. You know the meaning of Khanda means what? Here you get to see the children's park here. If you have children, you can visit the children's park here in Khandadhar and your children enjoy the visit. First adventure here in Khandadhar is you get a place to bath, a place to swing, and to enjoy this cool stream of water from the Khandadhar waterfall. The stone over here is also very unique. Actually, it has different types of color, red and black. टाइगर ऐसा आता है। You can pause the video and have a look at whatever information is given in here in this board. So now, as per information, we got to know that it has 700 steps. Now we have started from step 1. My mom is struggling climbing all the steps. Let's see if she can complete climbing all the 700 steps. Are you feeling tired?
No, not yet.
Okay. Let's see, I think because of the excitement. And what about you? Can you complete walking 700 steps?
I felt very weak now.
Now it's...
I have
How many steps around you have covered?
in the year of 2021 I climbed 700
Recently?
recently. And today again second time.
Just side to the steps. Here is a different way that has a diversion towards those stream of water. We'll be heading towards those stream of water to have a look, because the beauty is amazing. It's so mesmerizing. It's not letting me step my feet on the steps unless and until I visit this area. This is a spot where people come to do the picnic activities. I think people might be cooking food here. They might be sitting here around under the trees to enjoy the cool breeze and also to enjoy the beautiful view of this water flowing from Khandadhar. I have finally reached half the way. We need to cross more half the way to reach the ultimate destination, that is Khandadhar Waterfalls. See, this is the view of the mountains, the greenery that soothes your soul, that makes you feel relaxed looking at this greenery. My mom got so tired. In half the way, she had given up multiple times, but we are encouraging her to reach the top. Let's see whether we are being successful in making her reach the top or not. Until now, the way we have covered, this is the most elevated path to reach the waterfalls. This is the difficult path. Now we need to put in all our energy to reach the top. It's mostly difficult for the elderly people. I'm tired. Too much elevation. Even the people with disabilities are gathering all their courage to reach the waterfalls. This is really a very elevated spot, which is mostly challenging for all the disabled. But she is one of the inspiration that I had come to see here. People with both the legs proper are also unable to cover this distance. A lot many steps more to reach the top. Now we are almost close to waterfalls, and my mom got so tired. She started complaining that my pressure is very low, my blood is so less. I had undergone operation in a while, so won't be able to reach the top. Now she is gathering strength by taking a lot of rest. Let's see if he can reach the top or not. This is the waterfall. We are almost 60-70 steps behind to reach the waterfall. These are the massive mountains.
So finally we have reached up to the top. So this is the waterfall that falls from around 244 meters above, and this is the second highest waterfall in Odisha and the ninth highest in India. So it's only dad and me who have made up to the top, and my mom is seated almost 50 to 60 steps from the top. This is the view, and that's the no entry because it is dangerous for new people. There are chances of falling from up to down because in the recent times an incident happened. A man climbed up to the top of the waterfall from any of the directions and fall from there, and he died on the spot. So this is the view from the top. The greenery, the dense forest that adds beauty to this waterfall. It is the must to visit waterfall in Odisha, and on the top is the Barai Pani waterfall, which is the first highest in Odisha. And as you can see, the number 668. These are the total number of steps to reach the top. So this is the down path to the ground. Now we are heading towards the ground and we'll be going to our homes once we reach. Finally, goodbye to Khandadhar Waterfalls. Our visit is over here, and next time I'll be coming up with new friends here who will be showing their enthusiasm and interest to visit this beautiful spot. Likewise, I'll be posting you a new video if any. Bye bye. See you and take care. I'll come back in my next vlog. Till then, have a nice day.